It is Sunday, June 4th. I have this little green box on the side is a swarm trap. I caught a swarm in about, I don't know, at least 3 or 4 weeks ago. I'm a little overdue putting it in its new home. I got a new box on the left there, and I am going to move it in. So this is their new home. Look and see what we have in here. It's the first time I'm actually opening this up. Lots of noise in there. All right, let's see what we got. Well, they're not actually built up as much as I thought they would be. There's absolutely nothing in this frame. Put it in. Check this frame out. This frame has a lot of bees on it. Honey here. There's pollen. There's pollen right here. Not a whole lot in the back. There's some nectar at the top, but I don't see any sign of the queen. All right. I'm probably going to go fairly quick. Because all I'm doing is basically moving them into their new home. They're not very aggressive, that's for sure. Oh, look at all that brood, capped brood. There's some capped drone brood down there. You can see if I can see a queen real quick. Don't see a queen on that side. There's a little bit of honey right there, but again, a whole bunch of capped brood. So I definitely have a queen, and she's doing a great job. But I don't see her on this one. All right, let's check this one. Okay, this one has some capped brood on it too, not quite as much. Looking for the queen. They're pretty calm bees. These were caught out at my house. That's about 7 miles away, and they're definitely the bees I catch from this area where I'm at. They're fairly aggressive. These are a lot calmer. They may have been a swarm from another beekeeper's hive, and beekeepers tend to buy calmer bees. I didn't see the queen in there. And as I've said before, just because you don't see her doesn't mean she's not in there. And here's this one they're just building out. It has some nectar in it. There's a little bit of brood in here. Let's look and see if the queen's on here. I don't see her. It's kind of hard to spot the queen. Other people mark their queens with a color. I don't do that. So you're just looking for a bee that's about 1.5 times the length of the other bee. She's a little fatter too, but I don't see her on here. This is actually a very small hive. I hope it survives. And that's the last one from in here. Move the frames towards the center. possibility that the queen's still in the box. I'm going to shake these down on here. I think any of them came off. Come out. Try to let her shake. I'm just going to leave the box here so they can get out on their own then. But that's basically it. Got the whole swarm that I caught in here. There's actually a dead one on here. They only live for 30 days. Put the inner cover on. Outer or telescopic cover. And then we'll put our little brick on top. And that is it. I'm going to leave this here like this so they can march out into the hive. That. And that's it. Like I said, that was a pretty small hive. I've had that hive for at least 3 or 4 weeks, and I would have thought there would have been more in it by then. It was basically only 3 full frames and then 1 empty frame and about a half a frame. But anyway, hopefully they'll survive here and thrive. Got plenty of time to build up. Like I said, it's June 4th. I have plenty of time to build up before winter. So that's it for today. And you can see my other hive over there. That was a swarm also that I had caught, and I'm already up to 2 brood boxes. And then over here, this was a split that I made. And that one, I'm up to two brood boxes and a honey super, and look at all those bees. This one I've got 2 brood boxes and 2 honey supers. This one's doing great. The one over there was a split from this hive, and then my last hive is over here. This is my oddball hive. It's a lay-ins hive. And there's my lay-ins hive, and these bees are doing great too. I kind of would like to open that one up and check it out. I haven't been in it for a while, but you can pretty much leave them alone. Anyway, that's it.